Hi, welcome to my video on defining a ratio and different forms of a ratio. Ratios. A ratio is a comparison of two numbers with the same units. A ratio can be written in three ways: A over B, A to B, or A cola B. Write each ratio as a fraction, quotient, or with a cola. So 2 to 3 is 2 over 3. It's 2 divided by 3. Or it could be, 2 divided by 3, sorry. 2 cola 3. 4 to 9 is 4 over 9. 4 divided by 9, or 4 cola 9. There's just different ways to write down a ratio. The most common form of a ratio is the fractional form. That's the most common form, fractions. A ratio of the form A to B is written as A over B in, again, fractional form. So a fraction is a ratio. Write each ratio as a fraction. 2 to 7, 6 over 7. 8 cola 3, 8 over 3. 9 divided by 10, 9 over 10. Write each ratio as a fraction in reduced form. Examples: 3 to 6 is 3 over 6. And you divide both numbers by 3, 1, 2. 3 is a GCF, so you divide 3 by 3 to get 1, 3 by 6 to get 2. 8 cola 24 is 8 over 24. And again, 8 is the GCF. 8 into 8 goes 1. 8 into 24 goes 3. 12 to 9 is 12 over 9. And 3 goes into both of those. So 3 into 9 goes 3. 3 into 12 goes 4. So that's as a fraction. But most times we would write this as 1 and 1/3. 3 goes into 4 once. So that's a mixed number, but as a fraction is 4 over 3 if you want to write it as A over B. 3 into 4 goes once, 1 left over. 15 to 20 is 15 over 20. And 5 is the GCF. 5 into 15 goes 3. 5 into 20 goes 4. Reduces down. Practice. Pause the video, work these out, and press play again to see if you're right. So 4 cola 40 is 4 over 40. 4 is the GCF. 4 into 4 goes once. 4 into 40 goes 10. 6 to 18 is 6 over 18. 6 goes into 6 once. 6 goes into 18 3. 6 is the GCF. 21 over 14. 21 to 14. And 7 is the GCF. You get a 2 and a 3. And again, it's an OR. So 2 into 3 goes once and 1 left over. But as a fraction of A over B, 3 over 2 is okay. So 22 over 33. 22 to 33 is 22 over 33. And 11 is your greatest common factor. So 11 into 22 goes 2. 11 into 33 goes 3. Notice the digits are the same, so you can divide by 11. Let's continue. A group of 10 people consists of 7 males and 3 females. The ratio of males to the group, so males is 7 to the group, and the group is 10. So the ratio is 7 over 10 as a fraction. Females to males, females is 3, 2. Males is 7, so the fraction is 3 over 7. Males is 7, 2. Females is 3. Males is 7, females 3. 7 to 3 is 7 over 3. And again, you can make that a mixed number if you want. A box contains 15 white marbles and 20 red marbles. Write the ratio of each in reduced form. White to red. So white is 15 to red is 20. So that's 15 over 20 as a ratio. And 5 into 15 goes 3. 5 into 20 goes 4. Red to all. Red is 20. And to all, that means you add them up, you get 35. So red, 20 over 35. And the GCF is 5. 5 into 20 goes 4. 5 into 35 goes 7. White to all. White is 15. To all, add them up is 35. So that's 15 over 35. And again, 5 is the GCF. 5 into 15 goes 3. 5 into 35 goes 7. And red to white. Red is 20. To white is 15. And that's 20 over 15. 5 into 20 goes 4. 5 into 15 goes 3. Or you can go 1 1/3. Now, practice means pause the video, work all of these out, and play back to see if you're right. Write each ratio in reduced or fractional form. Reduced fractional form. Circles to all the figures. Circles is 3. To all the figures, well, they have 3, 4, and 5. That's 5 plus 4 is 9, that's 12. So I have a ratio of 3 to 12. 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 12, 4. Triangles is 4. 2. Rectangle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the ratio is 4 to 5. Rectangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To all the figures. 5, and there's 12 of them. So that's 4 over 12. 4 into 4 goes once, 4 into 12 goes 3. The cost of one pencil and one pen is $10. If a pencil costs $4, find the ratio of reduced fractional form for the cost of a pencil to the cost of a pen. Well, if the two of them together cost $10 and a pen costs $4, that means that the pencil must have cost the difference, which is 6. So a pencil is $4, sorry. Therefore, a pen is $6. Sorry about that. So all of them together is 10. Minus 4 is 6. So the pen is 6. So what's the ratio of the pencil, which is $4, to the cost of the pen, which is $6. And divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 2/3 or 2 over 3. A rectangle has a width of 8 and an area of 80. What is the ratio in reduced fractional form of the width to the length? So we know, or should know, that the area of a rectangle is length times width. So if the area is 80 and the width is 8, that means 8, that gives you 80 equals L times the length times the width. So if you divide by 8 on each side, you will get 10. They cancel out and you'll get L. So the length becomes 10. And so if the length is 10 and the width is 8, let's check. Length times width, 8 times 10 is 80. So the ratio of the width to the length is 8 over 10, which is 4 over 5. That ends our video. If you like my video, then click on the like button, subscribe button, the notification bell, write a comment if you wish, and visit my math website at www.mathfullyexplained.com, and you get information about me in one section. In another section, you get about the videos, the teaching styles I'm going to use in my videos, and the best content. The best section is on the content, which gives you the topics that I'm going to have there, and the videos, number of videos on the topics, and in black font, is what I have there now, and in red font is what I will have there in the future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.